Hi guys, good evening. Ito po, kararating lang na naman ang aking order para sa aking anak ng sweet night. Sweet night po. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Nung una talaga ayaw ko siya nito. Kasi sabi ko, parang hindi naman mabango, para namang imitation lang siya. Pero this is just because yung mag-school, start na naman po yung schooling niya. So, ayun o, nagustuhan niya to, and before I really buying most of the perfume that he's using. Expensive po talaga, 799, 999, and then it's just one bottle. So ito po, nagtry kami kasi nakita ko talagang famous siya sa TikTok. I told him to let's try, but the first time, actually marami na kaming nabili, natatapon ko lang po kasi yung mga bote, and then here, ito yung mga remaining bottle niya. Tingnan nyo naman po, yung talagang ginagastusan ko siya. Ilan na tong mga luma niya. Nakaubos na naman po siya ng 3. Tapos po ito, may 3 na ako na i-dispose na. Hindi pa naman katagalan na ginagamit niya. Pero really, as a mom, you will always want the best for your son. And nagustuhan niya talaga to. Yung kahit bagong ligo lang siya, hindi siya pupunta sa school, laging he want it to apply for himself. Kasi talagang nagustuhan niya yung amoy, di ba? Napaka-affordable niya po. And really worth it na gamitin. Kahit sa babae. But I use one. Yung pink nito, I got one for me. But it's already out. It's already gone. Tapos ubos na po siya. Then, ito minsan ginagamit ko to. Humihiram ako sa kanya. Kapag naubos na po yung sa akin. Then, after this, hindi pa nga ubos yung isa. Ito po. Then, ito po, may follow-up na naman po akong 3. Sobrang proven to guys. And very affordable. Nasa TikTok shop ko na po ito. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-buy, and you have to check it out on my shop. Just see my TikTok shop at Manubasby24 and click my showcase there. You could see it there in the price. Actually, yung iba po na naglalabas ng buy one take one ito, I don't know if it is in promo, but hindi po nag-a-appear sa akin na naka-promo po siya guys. So, it's proven. Hindi po kayo magsisisi yung pera nyo. Very affordable and useful po talaga. And I always wanted my son is the best smell ever that he had. Kasi high school na po siya. Then he want always, mama, nire-remind niya ako na talagang, mama, paubos na yung pabango ko. And then this is the proof that I really embrace this kind of perfume. So guys, check it out on my TikTok shop, and I'll be putting it to my yellow basket, and you could see it every time I'm on live, or you will see it on my post in my TikTok. Thank you so much guys. Talagang try to spend, wag po kayo manghinayang, it will be worth it. And I assure you, I'm telling you, I'm not a liar. I really use the product which is very useful, and yung pera ko talaga hindi siya masasayang. So I'm inviting all the mommies there na talagang you don't need to spend much. If you want the best for your child, for your children, you can just buy something that really affordable and hindi po talaga siya masakit sa bulsa. Kaya guys, actually meron siyang 3 klaseng favorite ko, and then this is the best, and the pink, and yung darker than here. I forgot the other name, but this is the famous I got. Kararating niya lang po, in order ko kasi nga magpapasok na naman yung anak ko. So thank you so much guys. I wish you would like it, and not just like it and watch it, use it, spend money for it. It's just very affordable, and your price po nasa TikTok shop ko po siya, and then you could check it and shop na. Thank you so much po.